बच्चों, आपको कल हिटलर का इंट्रोडक्शन दिया था और बताया था हिटलर जो है जर्मनी का रूलर 1933 टू 1945 तक रहा। उसके बाद उसने क्या क्या किया ये भी आपको संक्षेप में जानकारी दी थी। कहा Hitler was the ruler of Germany. He took part in Second World War. He wanted to wipe out the whole race of the Jews. But the circumstances of the war changed with the joining of the USSR and America with the Allied nation. Germany surrendered before the Allied nation in May 1945. Hitler and his supporters were under the shadow of fear that the Allied nations would deal with them as they had done with the Jews and other minority groups. Out of this fear, Hitler and his propaganda minister Goebbels, with his entire family, committed suicide in April 1945 in the bunker of Berlin. After it, a chain of suicides it sets in. At the end of the war, an international military tribunal was set up in Nuremberg, which was the region of the suicides being committed in Germany. This tribunal was constituted to try the three types of the war crime: crime against peace, war crimes, and crimes against humanity. The tribunal dealt harsh punishment to the Nazis, afraid of severe punishment. The Nazis and their supporters being to commit suicides. There were many causes behind the tyrannical behavior of the Nazis. The tyranny began after the First World War. At the conclusion of the First World War, the Allied nation forced Germany both to the humiliating Treaty of Versailles. Stung by the humiliation, the nationalist elements were in Germany. Hitler promised to regain the national glory of Germany by awakening nationalism. The people of Germany saw Hitler as their national hero. The acceptance of the Hitler among the people of Germany made him an autocrat. This was the beginning of Nazism. Hitler separate hatred towards the minority and the Jews. Later this hatred converted into violence. During the Second World War, 60 lakh Jews, 2 lakhs Gypsies, 10 lakh Polish and 70,000 disabled Germans were ruthlessly killed. Hitler accomplished this task in a very organized manner. Collective slaughterhouses were built to kill people on a large scale. Poisonous gases were used to kill people in these slaughterhouses. The slaughterhouses were called Auschwitz gas chambers. Auschwitz gas chamber. The Nuremberg tribunal that was set up by the Allied nation sentenced only 11 Nazis to death. Many others were awarded life imprisonment. The punishment awarded to the Nazi was, of course, far short of the crime perpetrated by them. The reason was that the Allied nations did not want to do anything that they did after the First World War, which had led to the emergence of Hitler in Germany, a birth of Weimar Republic. In the early years of the 20th century, Germany was a strong empire. Germany, along with the Austria, initiated the First World War that was fought during 1940 to 1918. On the other sides were England, France, and Russia. They were they were called Allied nation. एलाइड नेशन कौन कौन? इंग्लैंड, फ्रांस, रशिया, ये एलाइड नेशन थे. ऑल द कंट्रीज वर फाइटिंग द वॉर इन द होप ऑफ एन अर्ली विक्ट्री. All expected some as the other benefit. They never thought that it would be a long drawn war and would create an economic crisis for the whole Europe. In the beginning, Germany vanquished France and Belgium gained success, but in 1970, when America joined Allied nations, they got more strength and ultimately, after defeating the Central Power in 1918, the Allied nations forced Germany also to surrender. The National Assembly of Weimar and a new republic. In the First World War, after the defeat of Germany, the improper abdicated this throne. This situation provided the German parliamentary parties a good opportunity to run the German political system according to themselves. In this regard, in favor of Germany, a meeting of National Assembly was summoned and a democratic constitution was approved on a federal basis. In the new system, representative for the German parliament, the Reichstag were elected. All the adult citizens, including women, were given right to vote on the basis of universal franchise on equal grounds. But this new republic was not liked by a majority of people of Germany itself. The reason was that after the defeat of Germany in the First World War, the victorious nation had imposed many sharp conditions on Germany. The Versailles Peace Treaty with the Allied nations was very harsh and humiliating for the people of Germany. As a result of this treaty, Germany had to give away all its colonies, about 10% population, 30% territory, and 75% steel stock, and 26% coal stock to France, Poland, Denmark, and Lithuania. The Allied nations dismantled the German army also to make Germany weakened, which was held responsible for the overall damage under the war guilty clause. Germany was fined £60 million as a compensation. The mineral resources of Rhineland Rhineland in Germany remained under the control of the Allied nation in 20s. The Weimar Republic was held responsible for this humiliation of Germany people in Versailles. Effect of war. Again, next day. Thank you.